So we use the present simple tense for many uses. We use it to talk about facts and truth. We also use it to talk about regular and habitual events. We use it to give instructions and talk about timetables. We use it to give commentaries, and we also use it with words such as promise, swear, and agree. So let's have some examples. Talking about facts and truths, here are some examples. 10 times 10 makes 100. Another example is the earth goes around the sun. Talking about regular and habitual events, I read every night before I get to bed. Another example is I celebrate my birthday October 20th every year. For giving an instruction, when somebody asks for directions, for example, you would say, you go straight and you take the fast left, and then it is on your right. Football commentators also use the present simple to comment on football matches, such as Cristiano gives the ball to Essien and he passes back to Ronaldo, so he strikes and he scores a goal. And this gives immediacy to the events. With words such as I promise, I swear, and I agree, as in, when I get home, I swear I will call you. So when I get. The lesson starts at 9:30 tomorrow. It is a timetable, it is something that is yet to happen in the future.
You can find more practice in the description. Make sure you click the like button if you like the video and the dislike if you didn't. Thank you for watching the video.